What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. As you guys can see, we are literally almost empty. We have 23 miles left in the tank. We're going to fill this bad boy up. This car is tuned on 93. So for those of you that are wondering how's the car tuned or how much does it take to fill this bad boy up, we're gonna do this in today's video. We're gonna get 93. Looks like it's $3.99 a gallon for 93. We're gonna fill this thing up and we'll do a little POV drive, getting on the highway. It's nighttime. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these POV drive videos. You guys have been showing so much support. I appreciate all of you. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much. Make sure you guys subscribe with post notifications on and smash the like button. If this video right here gets 150 likes, we're gonna go crazy. I don't know what we're gonna do because we basically did everything almost. But if this video right here gets 150 likes, I know I said last video if it gets 100 likes, we'll go to Manhattan Tunnel. But I needed gas and I wanted to show you guys how much it takes to fill this bad boy up. But 150 likes, and I guarantee you guys the next video we post is gonna be us going to the Manhattan Tunnel and just flowing it straight through. But let's go fill this bad boy up and see how much it costs. Let me know in the comments down below how much it costs to fill up your car, and let's get straight into it. Before we start today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to today's video sponsor, which is KBTuning, which they made it possible for my car to even look like this and to have this thing on my license plate, which as you guys see that now in this video, you guys are not even able to see what my license plate even is, this is not for street use. If you plan on using this to avoid tolls or speed cameras or red light cameras, which I totally do not do, I only use this to be able to take videos and pictures of my car without having anybody see my plate. And I'm also able to take it off and put it back on whenever I want. Literally everything I have on this car, the diffuser, the taillights, the spoiler, the roof spoiler, the new rims I got, the diffuser, side skirts, the front lip, window tint, my tint exemptions, everything I have on this car right now is from KBTuning, which I have on the back of my car. So shout out to them. If you guys need any parts for your 18 or 24 Camry, I also got my steering wheel from them. If you guys need a steering wheel for your car, go hit them up. If you guys need any plate covers, they have this, electric blur, flip ones for different countries. Whatever you guys need, go hit them up. I'm gonna leave them in the description of this video if you guys want to go hit them up. This exact plate cover I have on right now is $80 on their website, but TikTok has it on for only $35, which is crazy. TikTok is hooking us up right now. So I'm gonna leave that link to their TikTok shop link in the description as well if you guys want to go purchase that for an even cheaper price compared to their website, which is $80. So definitely go cop that, and let's get straight into the video. All right, so let's open up the gas tank really quick. Let's turn off the car. About 23 miles, literally empty. Let's see how it is. Damn, the lighting is crazy. All right, there we go. Don't mind this little bandit I got on, but all right, so let's insert our card. All right, we got a lot of wind noise, but fuck it. Let's get all this excess water out. 93, as you guys can see, $3.99 a gallon. Damn, of course the thing doesn't work here, man. I want to show you guys what the car looks like, but let's fill this thing up. A lot of you do ask me what percentage tint I have on the car. It is pretty dark at nighttime, but I got 20% all around the front rear windows, the rear windshield, and the front windshield is going to be 35%. I'm going to show you guys in just a moment. I'm going to fill this thing up. But yeah, $4 a gallon. It is pretty crazy, but it's all good. Again, let me know in the comments down below how much it takes to fill up your car, how many miles you get. We're going to show you guys all that today while we're driving home and stuff. But it's gonna be a nice little POV drive. We're gonna chill. We're not gonna go too crazy today. You know, like every other video, I just want to talk to you guys, update you guys what's going on, what we got planned for the car. And yeah, and then the other videos we do, we're gonna go crazy. But my last video, I'm not gonna lie guys, I don't know what was going on, but I still gotta get used to the POV cam. I can't even lie. Car usually takes a little bit above 12 gallons, so we're about to hit $50. So let's see. Oh, I think we might not even hit it. Oh no, we're not gonna hit it. I'd say we'll be around, sorry, I said 12 gallons. Almost 14 gallons if we are empty, but $54.03, and we get 13.5 gallons. So let's take this bad boy out and see how many miles we get. Let's get the receipt out. Got the receipt. Let's close this thing. Let's get back in the car, turn this thing on. Let's find out exactly how much it costs. I mean, exactly how many miles we get. And if you guys are wondering how I'm recording the POV drives on the channel, this is literally how I'm recording it. Let me go on 0.5 really quick. I literally got a whole bunch of rubber band on the sun visor and I have an Insta 360 like this, which is great. Don't mind, this is my garage remote. And somehow it actually holds pretty well. I might get a couple more rubber bands just to be able to hold it better. But yeah, it's not gonna update yet, but we are full. Car is warm. We get an average of 23.4 miles a gallon because we have been driving a little crazy. But we could get literally almost 400, which is crazy on this car. That's if we drive normal. If we drive like a normal person. But we're gonna switch to the POV cam and let's start driving. All right, so the car still didn't update exactly how many miles of range we're gonna get. Or we're gonna start driving, and whenever it updates, obviously you guys can be able to see, or I'll tell you, oh, it did just update. 338 miles, and this is with me driving literally terribly, like almost flooring it basically, and like doing stupid shit. But I have gone 380. I have gone 380 before, but we'll just say 320 is the exact range we get. Oh shit, the fuck, what was that? Close the gas tanks. I don't know what the fuck that was. I don't even know why. I just got a lisp right there, but might have been a little pop. But we are full on a full tank of 93 right now. You guys are probably wondering, why the hell does a Camry take 93? I just told you guys I was gonna show you guys the car and I didn't. I forgot. I'm so sorry. But basically, it's pretty much common sense, but I'll explain exactly why the car takes 93. The car is tuned at 93. The car has a catback exhaust, or let's say quote unquote catback. It's quad tip exhaust. We have an intake. We got headers. This car is fully catless. It has a res delete. We still have the mufflers that come with the exhaust, so that's why it's not really droning or rattling my car too much. But yeah, we are on a stage 2 more aggressive tune with pops and bangs. If you guys saw my last 2 videos, then you know this car pops, blah blah blah, burbles. And don't think this is something crazy like a Beamer or whatever, because it definitely does not sound like one, and the pops on this thing definitely do not sound like a Beamer. But if you guys do watch me on Instagram or TikTok, then you guys have seen some crazy clips of how this car sounds when I'm actually pushing it from the outside. But yeah, if you guys are interested in exhaust, intake, headers, or what exactly mods I have done to the car and you're looking to purchase it, hit me up on Instagram at kyleafzali, which is my name on here, obviously. And yeah, for those of you that are new to the channel, this is a 2022 Toyota Camry SE, which is the base model above the LE. This car is nothing too crazy, nothing like that at all. And yeah, we're just gonna showcase our journey. You know, we got, at the moment I'm recording this video, we're at like 820 subscribers. So we're gonna showcase our journey, and hopefully, you know, sometime soon we can be driving an M5 or a nice car, and I'll be able to record POV drives for you guys as well with those cars, which is what the goal is.
Stay to the left,
obviously.
I-495 east toward Riverhead.
Alright, we're getting on the highway right now. Oh, you know what? I should have changed the colors on the steering wheel for you guys, so you guys can see like the exact customizations you could do. But it's all good. When we get off the highway and we get to like a red light, we'll do that.
Get 2.2
just so I can show you guys.
Stay to the left to I-495 east HOV.
And if you guys are interested in getting your very own customized carbon steering wheel with an LED screen like this, customized airbag cover, you can get leather, suede, Alcantara, whatever you want to call it. You guys can hit up KBTuning _ on Instagram. We got literally almost every single make and model. Just hit them up with your year, make, and model, and they'll check if they have the steering wheel for you. I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below if you're a person, if you're a car guy or car girl, whatever. If you're a car person, you buy car parts. would you rather just pay in full for, or would you just, or do you want to finance it if, you know, it's 0% interest or whatever? What do you guys prefer? Me personally, I mean, if I could, what the fuck is this idiot doing? If I could finance it and it's like 0% interest, it's not a problem, then obviously a normal person would. But at the end of the day, I feel like it's better to pay it in full. But don't get me wrong, I have financed literally so many parts because of the cost. But if you want
in 1 mile,
stuff like that, then
use the left lane to stay to the left to I-495 East HOV.
So at the time I'm recording this video, I still haven't posted the video of me actually flooring the car. So I probably would have posted that before this video. But during that video, I'm not gonna lie, we did go a little bit too crazy. But we definitely gotta get used to the POV cam before we even drive like that ever again. I'm not gonna lie. But this video, we're not gonna go too crazy. We're gonna see how much miles per gallon we can get. I am so sorry, guys. Unfortunately, the rest of the footage that was in this POV drive was corrupted, and I wasn't able to get it from the camera. I don't know what happened, but I do apologize. But I will tell you guys now exactly what basically happened in the rest of the POV drive. And yeah, again, I do really apologize, guys. I don't know what happened, but basically in the whole video we were just talking about my journey, exactly what our plans are with the POV drives and stuff like that. In the start of the video, as you guys heard, I said that at the moment of recording this POV drive, we are currently at 820 subscribers. But now that I'm recording this voiceover as I'm editing the video, we are about to hit 1,300 subscribers, and my previous video is almost at 30,000 views, which is actually completely insane. I do appreciate everybody's support, and to all the newest subscribers, thank you all so much. I really appreciate all of you guys. But basically, in the POV drive, we were just talking about what my next plans were for the car, and we were driving very safe just to see how many miles per gallon we could get on the car. And we were able to get I think 38 or 39 miles per gallon while still being fully catless, which is actually insane. I don't know how we did that, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you guys even get that miles per gallon even though you have no modifications to your car? And for those of you that are watching my videos and actually enjoying them, I thank you guys so much. It really means a lot to me, and I can't believe the recent support that has been going. And as you guys did hear in the start of the video, we didn't even upload that video, you know, while at the time of me recording this POV drive, which is actually insane. So 1,300, almost 1,300 subscribers, and we're about to hit 30k views on that video, which is actually insane. My goal was to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we actually hit it, and we're going even way more. But yeah, basically we were just talking about, you know, what our plans are for POV drives. As you guys know, I do also post installation videos and, you know, new stuff or anything about that's, or any updates that are going on with my car, and we will continue to do that, you know, as long as you guys do want to see that. But POV drives will be added into the channel as well, and I can't wait for what's in store for us on this channel. So I do appreciate everybody. If you guys do want to stay tuned, make sure you guys subscribe to post notifications on, because I told you guys in the last video that if we get 100 likes, we'll be going to the Manhattan Tunnel. So my next video right after this will be going to the Manhattan Tunnel. So make sure you guys also subscribe and post notifications on. Stay tuned and like this video as well. And I can't wait to show you guys this if you guys do want to watch that video. And no, this car isn't something crazy. The Camry is not something crazy. As I said in the start of the video, you know, this is just to show you guys my journey with this car, me having fun with it, as it is my first ever car that I purchased and, you know, actually modified. But if you guys do want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe, because we have a whole bunch more. It's not just gonna be the Manhattan Tunnel. We're gonna go to so many crazy places and show you guys what this car actually has. But let me know some video ideas in the comments down below. What do you guys want to see me do with this CATLESS Camry? As you guys do know, it's loud as hell, but it's not fast. So let me know in the comments down below. And basically what we were just talking about in the video is I in no way mean that this car is something crazy, or I'm trying to flex this car to you guys. It's just so many of you are interested and curious about the car, which is why I made this, you know, I make these POV drive videos. I don't mean to flex the car, I don't mean to show it off, and no, I don't think it's some crazy luxurious or crazy nice car. It's just my first ever car, and I noticed a lot of people like it, so that's why I decided to make this type of videos on the channel. But I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I am sorry again for the footage being cut out. It's all good though. We'll make sure it doesn't happen again, and we'll see you guys in the next video where we go through the Manhattan Tunnel. It's gonna be insane. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and are you guys hyped to see that video? Peace out. We'll see you guys there.